For the first, both when death happens gradually and when it happens all of a sudden, the following signs emerge. At the time the earth element dissolves into the water element, the outer sign is that there is a heaviness of the body. The inner sign is that smoke emerges. When fire dissolves into wind, the outer sign is that the body's heat dissipates, beginning at its extremities. The inner sign is that the appearance of fireflies arises. When wind dissolves into consciousness, the outer sign is that breathing is weak. The inner sign is that outer appearances fade, and consciousness abides clearly like a butter lamp within a vase. When consciousness dissolves into luminosity, the outer sign is that the person is pronounced dead. The inner sign is that death, the Prajnaparamita, luminous dharmakaya, as it is, dawns right there at once.